Been doing it in Atlanta for at least 20 years. This is our first one here in Savannah.
So today is a celebration of having a full year of amazing work that we've been able to accomplish here in Savannah. We rolled out our offices a little over a year ago, and it has been growing in service and to the whole region, across the coastal area. But today's a fundraiser as well, that we're going to be raising some money for operations for this program here in Savannah to continue to help it grow.
Friends of Adult and Children, we're able to take in gently used medical equipment, clean it up, and bring it back out to the community. And people, when they find out about us, they love us because we're a faith-based organization. We're not looking at your pocketbook. We're not dealing with insurance. If somebody needs a piece of equipment, we will provide it for them.
Oh, it's extremely proud. We've got some of the most amazing people, connected people in Savannah showing up to help us learn what we do, to spread the word in the community that this is a resource and what to do with this unused medical equipment. You know, it's both awareness, it goes both ways. We can't do what we do without donations of equipment that's left behind, but then also, you know, so many people that are going to learn about how to access it. We're very, very thankful.